Hello guys, my name is Jessica from Shenzhen Cosun Smart Tech. Today we join in the InfoComm in 2026. I would like to share our digital models with you. This model is a 10-inch LCD countertop display. We sell this and supply this to the retail stores and shopping malls. This one can display your price tag and your brand's promotions to your customers, and your customer can see this price very clearly. You can just use these digital models to engage your target customers and provides your customers immersive experience with these digital models. If you are interested, we also offer these battery powered functions and double-sided displays. If you are interested to our digital models, you can just contact us and check on our website. Our website is www.conson.com. Thank you so much.